Can you tell us about one of your favorite projects where you got to do this?
Yes. So now we get to talk about the cute robots, which I'm so excited
Let's
about.
go.
So there's this project that I worked on called PopBots, like P-O-P.
Okay.
Bots.
I like the name. It's catchy.
And the whole point of this project was to teach preschoolers about AI so that when people told me that they thought AI was too hard and complicated, I could say, nope, I've taught some 4-year-olds about it so you can learn it too. But really, I think it's important to break down barriers to learning about AI. And there's also this fascinating thing happen. So again, I'm going to date myself.
Okay.
When I started the project, the coolest AI out there was Alexa. And and it's, if you think about it, imagine like when I was a kid, in order to search the internet, I had to know how to read, write, type, then I could search the internet. But all of a sudden, there were these 4-year-olds who were like, "Oh, I can search the internet. Watch this. Hey Alexa, like, what's the weather? Or like, where's the clothes?" And I was just like, "This is fascinating. How can they do this? How is your life different if you grow up with just like the full internet at your hands, literally at like command of your voice?" So I was studying those two things. One, what happens when you give a 4-year-old this powerful technology? And two, can we help those 4-year-olds actually learn about the technology and build it themselves? Okay. So over the course of 2 months, I got to teach more than 100 students and their teachers about different kinds of AI. I taught them about how AI can learn as it interacts with you through playing a game, rock, paper, scissors.